Hi, I'm John Schultz, owner of JDS Home Inspection Services in Denver, Colorado. Of the 74,000 natural disasters that occur every year in America, 93% of them are fire-related.
In fact, fires kill more Americans every year than all other natural disasters combined.
Spending just a few moments to ensure fire safety in the home saves lives. The first thing you should have is an escape plan that's known by everyone in the household. This is key to preventing fire-related deaths, but can you believe only about 26% of American families actually have one?
Go through the home and identify 2 means of escape per room, whether through a door or a window. The fastest way out should be the primary. Have a place for everyone to meet that is well away from the home. Across the street or a neighbor's yard are great ideas. Install fire ladders in windows if necessary. If you find a room with only one exit, this room should never be used as a bedroom. Discuss the escape plan with everyone in the home and make sure everyone knows where to go in case of fire, no matter what room they're in. Practice your escape plan at least twice a year. This is especially important for children. Try it at different times of day and even at night when everyone's asleep. Practice the stop, drop, and roll technique as well as low crawling. Try to get everyone to the meetup location in under 2 minutes. Take your kids to the fire station and learn about fire safety and who their local firemen are. While you're there, have them show you how to properly use a fire extinguisher and keep one in the kitchen.
Simply installing smoke alarms on every level of the home can cut your risk of dying in a fire by half. Test them monthly and be sure to change out the batteries at least once a year.
Kitchen safety is important as most house fires begin in the kitchen. Don't leave this room if either the oven or the stovetop is on. If you must leave, turn everything off first. If you are simmering, baking, or roasting something, it's easy to get sidetracked and forget. Set timers that will remind you that something is in the oven. Of course, keep anything flammable away from the oven, like pot holders, towels, and napkins. Also know what to do in the event of a grease fire. Quickly cover it with a cookie sheet or pot lid. Never hit a grease fire with water. It will only spread the fire. Use baking soda instead.
If you have a wood-burning fireplace, make sure to have your chimney cleaned and inspected once a year.
Creosote is highly flammable and builds up on the inner lining. Yes, your chimney can catch fire. Make sure you have a fireplace screen to prevent any embers or rolling logs from falling out of the firebox. If you heat individual rooms with space heaters, keep anything that's flammable at least 3 feet away, including rugs, furniture, and drapes. Set them on a hard, level surface rather than a carpet, and only purchase units that have an automatic shutoff if they should fall over or overload. Turn them off before you leave the room or go to sleep. Electrical fires caused by improper wiring or overloads account for 24,000 fires every year. Look over your inspection report and pay particular attention to any mention of overload hazards or evidence of miswiring. Make sure to have these remedied by a qualified electrician.
If you're not sure, have your home's wiring inspected by a qualified electrician. They'll be able to let you know if there's anything that should be addressed.
Federal Pacific Stab Lock or Zinsco circuit breaker panels are both known fire hazards and should be completely replaced immediately. Outlets in the garage, kitchen, bathrooms, and basement should be GFCI or GFCI protected outlets.
If not, it's time to consider a wiring upgrade. Talk to your electrician about these. Just like in a grease fire, never put water on an electrical fire.
Cut the power supply first at the breaker, then use a fire extinguisher or baking soda. Make sure to secure any matches, lighters, or candles out of the reach of children and educate children about the dangers of fire. About 300 fires per year are caused by children playing with matches.
In the event of fire, follow your safety plan. If you find a doorknob that's hot, do not attempt to open the door. Just use your secondary exit. And if there's smoke, stay low to the ground. Get out as fast as you can. Don't stop to grab mementos or even pets. If you find yourself blocked in, get to a room that has a window. Cover the door frame with a wet towel if there's one available. Then get to the window and wave something brightly colored to signal the firemen.
Your only goal is escape. Get out before even calling 911 and do not re-enter the home for any reason. If a member of your party is still missing, let the firemen perform the rescue. It's what they're trained for. Don't risk turning a tragedy into an even bigger tragedy by becoming another victim. With the growing threat of wildfires in Colorado, it's also important to consider wildfire safety. Just like your home escape plan, your wildfire escape plan should have 2 ways out of the wildfire area and a meeting place.
Many people just don't realize how common fires are and how important fire safety is. So let's do our best to keep our loved ones safe. Thanks for listening, and be sure to check out our other videos on this channel for helpful tips on other home-related subjects.